Napoleon the Third and Otto von Bismarck, very interesting characters in a broader tableau. Not who you think they were, not who they thought they were. Their times defined them. They defined their times, perhaps. When Napoleon screwed up, lost the empire for France, and Bismarck screwed up, arguably, by forcing the empire upon the Prussian king and the entire German people. It was just a series of events that happened. Nothing earth-shattering about it, really. It's just, it happened. But because of those events in 1870, where the German Empire, after not only defeating Napoleon and the empire, but also defeating the Third Republic and declaring the empire against the wishes of Wilhelm, the Prussian king, he did not want the empire. It was forced upon him by circumstance. The North Germanic Confederation became basically, with the addition of Bavaria and the other southern states, the German Empire. Wasn't much difference between them. And that dynamic then changed Europe. Bismarck's remembered for his last speech he gave in 1888 before Parliament, before he was basically thrown out on his ear by Wilhelm II. It sounded like he was calling for, hey, Germany, we don't answer to anybody. But he also was calling for peace at the same time. It often gets forgotten. Anyway, 1870 was a pivot point. 1871, of course, when the actual empire was proclaimed. 1914, 1939, today, another pivot point. But in the grand scheme of things, what does it really matter?